Thank you for your purchase on Toysphere Extreme Plus Tricycle. This tricycle comes with classy design and strong body base. Wide rear wheels for extra grip. Safety guard with hand rest parental handle control. This tricycle is easy to assemble by using some simple steps. You would be needing a screwdriver, a piler and a T-shaped screwdriver for assembling. In step 1, take the main body and fix the rear wheel to rear axle with the help of quarter pin. Now place rear wheel caps to the wheels, on both sides. Insert front wheel complete to the main body. Now, let's place 2 AA batteries to the musical head to activate light and music. Place handle to the body and fix it with the help of clamp nut and machine screw. Then place handle cap to the body with the help of provided screw. It's time to place parental handle in function. For this, fix moment rod from flute pipe to front wheel and fix it with provided screw. It's time to place canopy. It is easy to fix it by using push buttons. In the last, place parental handle to flute pipe. Your Toysphere Extreme Plus tricycle is now ready to use. Toysphere. World of toys.